The iconic Nokia N73 5G is finally here, and it's bringing back nostalgia with a powerful 2026 upgrade. If you remember the original N73 that ruled the market years ago, get ready, because this new version blends classic Nokia vibes with next-generation technology. First of all, let's talk about the design. The Nokia N73 5G comes with a premium glass back, slim bezels, and a sleek metal frame that feels solid in hand. Nokia has beautifully combined its classic camera-inspired look with a modern flagship finish. The phone feels durable and stylish at the same time, exactly what Nokia fans love. Now moving to the display. The device features a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching YouTube, scrolling social media, or playing games, the visuals look sharp, vibrant, and super smooth. The brightness levels are impressive, making it easy to use even under direct sunlight. Performance-wise, the Nokia N73 5G does not.